Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday 19th of November. Let's have a look at cable, which actually has found a bit of support in the last session or so. Friday, market ticked higher, and again today. It's interesting that Brexit politics is still the key driver behind sterling, but sterling has found a bit of support in the last couple of days, and that generally would be considered to be the fact that Theresa May has not yet faced a leadership challenge, and I think that is going to be the case if she does avert a leadership challenge. I think that could see cables settling in the next few days. You've got this key announcement that's likely to next be seen around the weekend, where the EU are likely to agree to sign off on the deal, basically. And it then comes back to the UK Parliament after that. But in the meantime, the market is going to be focused on whether there is a leadership challenge or not. And if there is one, then you can expect cable to fall back. Now, in terms of the technicals, it's found a bit of support at 27.20. That sharp low that we saw on Thursday last week found a bit of support, rallied a touch, but you've got the momentum indicators, which are definitely negatively biased now. Stochastics falling, MACD lines falling, MAC and the RSI also sort of turning over again under 50. You can see here where on the hourly chart we're trading around this sort of old basis of support, 27.30 odd up towards 28.85. These two key lows from earlier last week, but then you get into the realms of 29.50 area, which is an old support, and then the pivots of the mid-range, sort of around 30 big figure to 30.50, 30.60 area. So yeah, you've got a lot of levels overhead still to prevent on a technical basis, but you'd be looking at the indicators and still suggest that selling into strength remains the way to play sterling at the moment. Likely to be the fact there's plenty more hurdles ahead in this Brexit process, before we get any sort of light at the end of the tunnel, I fear. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.